Hi friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICU. Friends, today we are going to continue the previous topic, that is cutover strategy. Before going to start, I request you all, if you like the video, so do subscribe and share the videos with your friends. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. So let's start today's session. Today we are going to discuss how to upload the vendor advance open item balance. How to upload the balance of vendor advance open item. So to upload the vendor advance open item balance, first of all we will take the information vendor wise and advance open item wise, because we will upload the balance vendor wise and advance open item wise. So we take the vendor wise and advance open item wise information in the T code F-02 format. Through F-02, for all the debit line items of vendor account will be debited with the posting key 29 with relevant special GL indicator, and here your initial upload GL account will be credited with 50 posting key. For debit, the all line items vendor, and for all credit line items vendor, your posting key will be 39 for credit the vendor and with a relevant special GL indicator. And here your initial upload GL account will be debit with the posting key 40. So these things you have to remember, because at the time of interview they ask to you what is the posting key we use for credit line items of the vendor. So that time you should be aware of these all process. Now come to customer normal open item balance. How to upload the customer normal open item balance. To upload the customer normal open item balance, we take the information as all the customer wise and open item wise through the T code F-02 format. So for all debit line items of the customer, here the entry will be your customer account will be debited with a 01 posting key and your initial upload account will be credited with 50 posting key. And for all credit line items of the customer, your customer account will be credited with 11 posting key and your initial upload account will be debited with 40 posting key. Here your initial account will be debited with 40 posting key and your customer account will be credited with 11 posting key.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, so do like, subscribe and share with your friends.
Advance open item balance. To upload the customer advance open item balance, we take the informations all customer wise and advance open item wise in the T code F-02 format. So for all the debit line items of the customer, the posting key will be 9 for debit the customer, and here your initial upload account will be credited with 50 posting key. And for all credit line items of the customer, your customer account will be credited with the posting key 19 and your initial upload GL will be debited with the posting key 40. Similarly, for petty cash balance, when we want to upload the petty cash balance from the legacy system to SAP system, so these will be uploaded through the petty cash transaction, that is FPCJ only. So to upload the petty cash opening balance, we create new business transaction in the T code FPCJ C2 as a receipt transaction, and assign opening balance GL. So to upload the opening balance, we receive the amount in cash receipt option. So entry will be petty cash account debit and your initial account will be credited. Similarly, at the time of fixed asset balance, with creation of individual asset master data. So the T code will be AS91. Depending upon the go live date, our fixed asset balance uploaded strategy may be changed. If we are going to live in the mid of the financial year, so upload balance during the financial year. If we upload the asset master plus individual asset balance through AS91, so in individual balance, we consider the following balances of each asset. Here your acquisition value of each asset, accumulated depreciation till date, from acquisition date of the cutover date, your ordinary depreciation for the year from the start date of financial year to the cutover date. If you are going live in the start of the financial year, then strategy would be as follows. Like we upload the asset master plus individual asset balance through AS91 T code. So in individual balance, we consider the following balances of each asset. Here your acquisition value of each asset and your accumulated depreciation till date, cutover date. So from acquisition date to the cutover date. So through AS91, system upload the value for individual asset. The same cannot be posted into GL. Here your gross block GL, accumulated depreciation GL and ordinary depreciation GL. If will reflect for individual asset only. So to post the acquisition value and accumulated depreciation of asset in general ledger account, we use the transaction code OASV. In this transaction, we post the below transaction. Like here, our gross block computer account debit, gross block machine motor vehicle account debit, and your accumulated depreciation account will be credited, and your accumulated motor vehicle account credited, and your initial upload GL will be credited. And to upload the GL open item balance, the transaction key will be F-02, and GL wise open item wise debit and credit transaction will be uploaded through F-02 format. For debit balance GL, open item GL debit with the posting key 40 and initial upload GL credit with the posting key 50. And for credit balance GL, initial upload account will be debit with 40 posting key and your open GL account will be credited with 50 posting key. So friend, these are the steps which we follow at the time of cutover strategy. So how to upload this LSMW into SAP, I have already explained at the time of LSMW video. So similarly, you have to make the formats of the given transactions and you have to pass the entry as I have mentioned the T codes. See you soon in a next video.